Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a grocery haul for you. I haven't done a grocery haul in a really long time. I think it's been over a year since I've done one, so if you enjoy this one, make sure to give it a thumbs up for me and I'll do them more often. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jill. Obviously, we are a family of 5. That does include my 6-month-old, but he is starting to eat actual food too. So here's everything that I got at the grocery store. I do have just a couple things in the freezer that I will show you at the end, but I'm going to start with the cold stuff over here so that I can put this back away. But, well, bananas, those are not cold, but I got some bananas. I got a package of spring mix. I like to eat this with salads, and also I'm going to be making chicken or grilled chicken Caesar wraps, and I'm going to be using that in the wraps. I got 5 red delicious apples. I got about a pound or a little bit over a pound of red seedless grapes. I got a 16-ounce package of carrots. I like to get the baby carrots because they're already like I don't have to peel them, I don't have to chop them, it's all ready. I got 1 tomato also for the wraps that I want to make. I got a package of blueberries. I like to eat that with oatmeal in the morning. I got some shaved Parmesan cheese also for the wraps. Here I just have a package of chicken breast, and I also have another one in the freezer, but it's already started to freeze, so I didn't want to pull it back out again. This I had in the fridge because I'm going to be using it tonight. I got a package of cheese. Normally we buy this at Costco. We buy like a package that has like 4 or 5 of these in it, but we haven't been to Costco and we needed cheese, so I got that. I got a package of Hillshire Farm oven roasted turkey breast. I eat this for lunch a lot of the time. I make sandwiches. I got some hot dogs. We're gonna do hot dogs and baked beans one night. Super easy dinner. And I got some Mexican cheese. I don't think I need this for any dinners, but I make the kids quesadillas with this. And normally I buy the big package from Costco as well, but we haven't been to Costco and we needed that, so I got that. I also got this Yo Crunch vanilla, M&M yogurt. Madison and Chase both like these, and I got 2 packages of these. Now on to the non-cold stuff. I got a package of donuts because these were on sale and the kids really like these, and it's summer break, so I'm buying some donuts because it's summer break. So I got the Entenmann's crumb-topped ones. I have 12 grain bread. This is the bread that I like to use for my sandwiches. I got potato hot dog rolls. Greg really likes the potato kind of rolls, so that's why I got those. I got flour tortillas, the burrito size. I'm going to use these for the wraps. Honey Made cinnamon graham crackers. These are like one of Chase's favorite snacks. He eats these all the time, so I got those. They both also like the Mega Stuffed Oreos, so I got a package of those. And then I got 2 of these Knorr garlic and herb sauce mix. I bought cheese tortellini a couple weeks ago, and I was gonna make ham and cheese tortellini, but then the power went out and we had to throw out a lot of stuff that was in our fridge, and I had to throw out the ham steak that I was gonna use with the tortellini. So I was trying to think of something else that I could make with the tortellini, and I just decided to get these sauce mixes and see if they're any good and see if we could eat up the tortellini that's in the freezer. I got 2 of them because I figure if we like it, we can have it again, because I have 2 big packages of tortellini in the freezer. Let me know if you've tried this before and if you liked it or not. It looks good, but you kind of never know with these things. And then I have 5 cans of tuna. This is one of our go-to lunches, especially during the summer. Madison buys lunch at school, so this is not going to be like a school lunch thing for her. It's just like a weekend lunch and a summer lunch, but Bumblebee tuna in water. I got 5 of those. I got a can of vegetable oil cooking spray. I know you're not supposed to use this, but I've tried cooking things in my non-stick pan without this and it still sticks, so I don't know what the deal is. I use this all the time. Then I got 2 seasoning mixes. One is the Good Seasons Italian, and the other is McCormick Brown Gravy, the less sodium one. These are going to be used for making London broil in the crock pot. I got 2 dressings for making the grilled chicken wraps. I wasn't sure if I wanted to use Caesar dressing or ranch, so I just got them both. I got Rotini Pasta because we're going to do pasta and green beans one night. Super easy dinner. And then I just got some spaghetti for Madison because sometimes I have like random dinner nights where I make the kids whatever I can find, and a lot of time she'll want spaghetti, so I got that for her. Then I got a package of this Suddenly Salad classic pasta salad. I think I'm going to use that for one night when we have chicken, chicken salad sandwiches. I think I'm going to use that as a side. Then I got 2 Classico 4-cheese pasta sauces. These are just the ones that I like the most right now. I'm not big on red sauce at all, so this is one of them that I can tolerate. Then I got 6 of these Beechnut Naturals baby foods for Noah. I do plan on making him some baby food, but I don't think I'm gonna have the time to make all of his baby food this time, so I've been buying these. I really liked them. They're literally just 1 ingredient. Like, this one is just butternut squash, and if you look at the ingredients, it's just butternut squash. So I really like that. So I've been trying some different foods with him. So we're gonna do butternut squash, green beans, and apples. And I do have some apples that I could make for him, but these are just nice if I'm going to my mom's house or we're just going somewhere and I want to just bring a little jar of food. It's convenient. I also got a package of animal crackers for Chase. Madison doesn't really like these, but Chase loves them. And then I got 2 cans of B&M vegetarian baked beans. I'm gonna use one of these with the hot dogs. And then in the freezer, I just have 2 things I think that I didn't show you. I have a big package of green beans. I love to buy the frozen green beans. Brad doesn't really like the ones in the can, so I buy like a big package of frozen ones, and those are good and super easy vegetable to make. And then in here is the London broil. This is what I use for that. It's called a beef round top London broil, and this is about 1.5 pounds. I also got a package of these Kellogg's Eggo cinnamon toast waffle things. The kids both love these, and it's super easy to just pop it in the toaster in the morning, pair it with a yogurt or something, and there's breakfast. I did also get 2 gallons of milk here and here. Usually we buy milk at Costco, but I had to get it at Shoprite this time because we were almost completely out. I also got orange juice, the Minute Maid pulp-free kind, and I got milk for myself. I just drank the Almond Breeze unsweetened vanilla almond milk. That's my grocery haul for this week and a half, maybe 2 weeks. Maybe I could stretch it a little bit. We'll order out a couple nights. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I got and maybe got some dinner ideas or snack ideas or something. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.